Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing 3 sticky note colors for topic, question, and quick fact. This visual code saves time. Once done, quickly map your syllabus on a single sheet so you know which chapter needs focus. Prioritize high-weight topics first. Then create 25 to 50-minute study blocks with short breaks to maintain focus. You'll place the first sticky on a chapter header with a single actionable goal. That immediate step converts planning into study momentum. You now move into active tagging. Write exactly 1 question or problem per note, add the page and line reference so you return fast. As you study, convert dense paragraphs into concept notes, formulas, diagrams, and one-line mnemonics to shrink review time. Once you finish a section, arrange notes in a color-coded review strip by difficulty. This helps you alternate easy and hard recall. Make sure to solve the question immediately. That practice cements the learning. Finish by building a review loop. Each day you spend 10 minutes on question notes, then once per week consolidate durable facts onto a summary sheet for quick pre-exam scans. Once done, recycle or archive notes that are mastered and keep problem notes until you can solve them twice in a row. If you get stuck, mark those notes with a red star. Make sure to revisit them with a tutor or a targeted video session. This troubleshooting step prevents forgotten weak spots from reappearing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.